Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Muskan Singh and today in this video we are going to be talking about 10 ways how you can have a soft life. And guys, soft life is different for other people. For example, for me it could be eating good lunch, for you it could be spending time with your family, for some people it could be, going out and watching movies. It could be different from other people, it could be different for other people. But in this video we are going to be talking about 10 ways by which, you can live a soft life. And you can, you'll be so blessed after all these things, if you apply this in your life. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm only keeping 5 points and the 5 points I'll be keeping for another video because I don't want to make this video very long and monotonous. So let's get started. So the first thing that you should do to live a soft life is to say more often. I've said it before and I'll say it again. The more no you say, the more time you save for yourself and the things that you want to do for yourself. Why do we have resentment towards other people? Because we always keep saying yes. जब हमें no बोलना होता है हम तब भी yes बोलते हैं. क्यों? Because we have this pressure, this unsaid pressure that we have to do things for others and we have to ignore ourselves. But this is how resentment comes. So whenever you want to say a no, please be clear and say a no because it's not going to harm anyone and people will realize that ठीक है, this person can't give me that time and it's okay and they will let it go. But if you are constantly saying yes कि हाँ मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये भी कर देती हूँ वो भी कर देती हूँ, then it is going to strip away your me time from yourself and that is going to make you resent other people. So in order to avoid resentment, say no more often because it is good for your own sanity. Trust me, guys. So the second thing that you should do to live a soft life is to stay busy and mind your own business. In these times of social media where, everybody is too vocal about, the things that they believe in और सब लोग अपना opinion दे रहे हैं, it can have a toll on your mental health because trolling बहुत ज़्यादा होती है and people are not going to agree to everything that you say and vice versa and that's okay. It's a part and parcel of, the social media kind of thing. But, staying busy and staying, productive, that does not mean that you're going to not going to take rest. Okay, you're obviously going to take rest. But that means that, you're not constantly going out and interacting with the people who are bringing nothing into your life. So stop interacting with people, either it's online or it's offline, with people who bring nothing into your life and stay busy and stay, productive, do the things that you believe in. And, rather than giving it to people, your time to people who don't deserve it. Guys, it does not mean that you can't be vocal about the things that you believe in because social media is for interacting and giving out your opinion. Of course, you can do it as much as you want because maybe karti hu and I've got into a lot of fights with other people, but that does not mean that I'm constantly sitting and being a keyboard warrior because that is what people are. These people trolling you, telling you, that you're not deserving, you're not this and that. These people can't do shit to you in real life. अगर इनको real में आके बात करनी पड़े ना आपसे, they can't do it. So trust me. ये trolling पे ध्यान देना. Of course it hurts, because I have seen it very closely with other people. It's happening, and I have also seen, it happening with me. But does it bother me? Yeah, sometimes it does, but not every time because you can't keep feeding into these people's ego, and then because this is exactly what they want. They want to have a conversation with you. So they are going to, do such shit to grab your attention. And you have to keep yourself safe. And guys, this brings us to the third point. That is my favorite one. That is to not reply to people after 10 p.m. unless and until it's very urgent. People, either it's your colleagues or your friends, unless and until it's very urgent, don't deserve your time. Because why should they? Me being somebody, I don't have a lot of friends. But of course, I keep on interacting with people online. But I don't reply to them after 10 p.m. because it is a sacred bubble, that I have, that you can't enter in it after 10 p.m. I will be able to reply, going and all, उससे पहले. लेकिन अगर 10 बज जाते हैं, then I am not going to reply. Because it is, see, you have to set your boundaries and you can't let people walk all over you. अगर उनको लगेगा कि, आज आपको 10 बजे के बाद message कर सकते हैं, so they're going to every time do it. And see, they can message you, but you have to stop yourself from replying because you can't control other people, but the only person you can control is yourself. And guys, you can set this time according to you. आपको अपने हिसाब से देखना है कि आपको कब लोगों को reply करना है और कब नहीं करना है. But me being somebody, I don't reply to people after 10 p.m. because I don't want to. And as I said earlier that it's a little bubble for myself that I don't let anybody enter. And unless and until it's very urgent, for example, it's related to my college or anything else, I don't reply. Because not everybody deserves your attention. And क्यों ही आप लोगों को हर किसी को अपनी लाइफ में आने देना है? Unless and until they're not bringing something positive into your life, why do you want to attend them? And see, I had this teacher in my college and who said that 10 बजे के बाद या अपना कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहे होते हो ना जब, डोंट इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल, बिकॉज जो भी अर्जेंट होगा दे विल कम एंड डायरेक्टली टॉक टू यू रादर देन इंटरैक्टिंग विद यू ऑन द फोन. एंड आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स अगर वो ज्यादा आपके पास है तो दे कैन डायरेक्टली कम एंड टॉक, अदरवाइज फोन पे तो करते ही हैं. बट बी स्ट्रिक्ट विद योर टाइम टेबल एंड डोंट लेट एनीवन एंटर. नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज don't explain to people why you're upset and walk away. I know it sounds very toxic because ये है toxic because a lot of the times you leave people confused कि ये क्यों नहीं reply कर रही है, ये क्यों नहीं मुझे बता रही है, because it is a very small instance in my life. Somebody in my in my friend group said something about my physical appearance and I did not like it. And मैंने उसको कोई कुछ explain नहीं किया कि मैं upset हूँ या मैं क्या हूँ. The next day I stopped talking to her. And काफी दिनों तक she came back to me and she asked me कि why am I not talking, and she also asked my other friends, but I didn't give any explanation because जितना explanation दोगे ना they will never understand, because the person who do not have the capacity of understanding you will never understand why you were upset, because if they're going to make you upset for once, the chances are more that they're going to do it forever. So हमेशा मत बताओ लोगों को कि मैं क्यों upset हूँ. Just उठो and just जाओ वहां से. Have self respect. And guys, this does not mean that you're being selfish. You are just protecting yourself from other people, because these people, they don't have the capacity of understanding you, right? So wasting your time and telling them कि हाँ मुझे इस चीज का बुरा लगा, मुझे उस चीज का बुरा लगा, is only going to strip away your personal time and your energy. So उनको ignore करो and focus on yourself. And not everybody is supposed to understand why you did what you did, and that's okay. And that is why I tell you कि हर किसी को एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको हर कोई समझेगा, बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी जजेस यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट दे हैव अबाउट लाइफ एंड अबाउट एवरीथिंग. एंड एज इट इज सेड, डू और डाई. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ रादर देन डाइंग एंड जस्ट बीइंग लाइक कि ठीक है मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, इट्स गोना वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड मतलब मत क्या करो, एंड प्रोटेक्ट योर बबल and love yourself. Okay guys, so the fifth and the last point for this video is to keep distance from negative people. And ये मैंने हमेशा बात बोली है कि जो आपसे सिर्फ बातें बताते हैं and even if you're giving solutions to them and they're not following that, chances are more that they are not looking for solutions, all they are looking for is validation. Let me explain. जब आप किसी से बात करते हो, किसी नेगेटिव पर्सन से, वो बार बार अपनी कहानी बताता है कि मेरे साथ तो ये बुरा हो रहा है, वो बुरा हो रहा है, but you also have solution for everything, and आप उसको बताते हो and you tell that person to implement in their lives. लेकिन वो उसके बाद भी ये नहीं करते हैं and वो अगले दिन दोबारा if they are coming and talking about the same thing, then what is this? This is them stripping off your energy, because now you'll be feeling like I'm giving my positive energy to them. Why are they not improving? It is because they don't want to improve. वो लोगों को अपने लिए कुछ करना ही नहीं है. They don't want to do something for themselves. So leave them how they are. आपने हर किसी का ठेका नहीं लिया हुआ, so leave them. And guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and these are certain things that I've started implementing. बहुत ही धीरे धीरे, but yes, I started implementing, and I think I can see a little change, because now the less available you are for people, the more importance they will give to you, and that is exactly what I want. I don't want to be available for everyone and just anyone, because I don't want to strip off my positive and good energy. So guys, if you have other points कि हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, comments में पक्का लिखना and let me know about what more you want from this channel. And if you're watching this video, I wish the best of luck to every one of you to whatever you are doing, and I am so happy that you're interacting with me on the channel and you're liking and subscribing, and thank you so much for existing. Your like and share and subscribe means a lot to me. Take care everyone, and we'll meet in the next video.